Soaking up the pre-match atmosphere here as we wait for things to get started. Won't be long now before we get through the formalities. A warm welcome, one and all. And here we have Arsenal against Fenerbahce. I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me will be Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, it's great to be here.
As you can see, we've already... Immobile! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
Oh, it was such a clever pass that flummoxed the defence, and it could well be revisited, this. Arsenal certainly won't want to look back and dwell on that. It was a good chance, though.
And it's Wijnaldum, gets it back. Now it's Immobile. Hector Bellerin does well to read it and intercepts. Away from immediate danger. Campbell brings it forward. Looks to clip it forward. He's gone for it! He's delivered all right!
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground, because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
Arsenal have an early lead. Good start. Ruda. So they got the only goal to make it 1-0. Bellerin. Salvio. He's left his man. Campbell tries to get it forward quickly. Tries to stroke it through. Immobile is desperately calling for it out wide. I think that's a corner. Yes, it is. In for a header! And another time! Chance again? No.
This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count.
Oh, he really wanted that.
Immobile certainly tends to cast his influence, and he's in imposing mood again.
And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. It's a loose ball. Goalkeeper's ball. And it's Keita. Keita has created one goal already. And that's been levered clear. More than happy to take the muscular approach. And he's there to hoof it away. Salvio. That's good progress he's made on the ball. Where to next? Great ball, and now the shot! Hamšík showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Passes it through. Keita gets into some space. Massive leap! Blocks! That's really good defending. Hits one! That'll go straight through to the keeper. It's come loose. Immobile. Looking to shoots! A decent effort as the first half draws to a close. So the team's still separated by one goal, but it should be very different. How would you review the first half?
Well, I think the scoreline offers a fair reflection of the level of endeavour from both teams. I think they lead because they did most of the probing. A little more penetration, I think, should help them get the job done.
Arsenal having to have the lead in a tight old game. Half-time, 1-0. And we are already promptly back underway. Arsenal carry a one-goal lead into the second half. Goes for goal! And it's for Salko. Wijnaldum. This is promising. Going through. Team still separated by the game's only goal. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. So we've reached the hour mark. So Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, Peter, if they're...
It's Immobile! It's in! And with that goal comes comfort!
The understanding between those two plays a big part in that, and releasing the run on side proved the key ingredient.
Arsenal get themselves a two-goal cushion.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
Goes for goal! He's got away with one there. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. Shoots! They are rampant!
Unbelievable.
And they are pulling clear here. Oh, a goal of real quality. He made it look ridiculously easy.
That's just fabulous skill and confidence to hit that with such control. The delivery, I think, made his mind up.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Looks to slip it through. Abel Hernandez. Oh, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Well, he can't say now that he hasn't been warned.
Yeah, and he has to change his ways, or this referee could soon change his status.
Ruda. Now it's Hernandez. Oh, he's broken through. Hernandez! Oh, that's a waste.
Arsenal are looking quite mean on the counter, and combating that requires even more meanness.
Fenerbahce have it back and they can go again. Hernandez. Gabriel battles to win it back. Ruda. Hamsik. And it's Keita. Arsenal are closing in on a comfortable win. Keita did well to pick out. Out wide to the right. Salvio, he's onside. That's great defensive work. It doesn't take too much imagination to guess what would have happened otherwise. Looks like a good ball through. Oh, it's gone in!
Oh, it's an unusual turn of events, and it was an honest attempt to help out, and I suppose it can happen to anyone.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little
And that is that. Arsenal comfortable winners, a virtuoso display, utterly one-sided. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
It was a very good game, played in the right spirit with a fitting atmosphere, and I think football won this time.
So just time for me to say thanks to Jim for his wisdom and to wish you all a very good evening.